This is one of the elevators at the Library of Congress. Whoa. Go to cellar. We're on GR. Wow, this cellar. Go to 2. Gallery's locked. And the top floor is staff only. Quick cab view. Wow, look at this. We'll take this down to cellar and then back to G and we'll end it. And there go the doors. And we're going up. This is one of the elevators at the Library of Congress. Look at this cab. We'll take it up to 2. And there go the doors. Wow, look at this thing. Can't believe I haven't been caught for filming in this place. They have another elevator, I might film that too. So now I'll take this back to... It says it's going up, which is not a good thing. Nope. Cellar. These were, according to Apaljal, these were Westinghouse, apparently. So I'll take this up to G. And we will go look at the other one next. Separate video, I think. So, that'll be it. Yes. This is one of the elevators at the Library of Congress. Look at this! It's a birdcage elevator! Wow! This is amazing. So, it has been modernized, unfortunately, but I do know, thanks to Apaljal, that these were Westinghouses. Oh, picking people up. Oh, we're moving. We'll take it back down to ground. Wow, this is cool. That's it.